Ever had the sinking feeling of saving a whopping 60,000 rupees for your dream phone, only to see it develop a frustrating green line across the screen after just a few months or years? Picture this. You wake up one fine morning, grab your phone, and your Twitter feed is ablaze with posts about Samsung's infamous green line issue. One Twitter user shares a tale of their father's 7-year-old phone working perfectly fine, while their own Samsung S23 Plus, just a year and a half old, now sports a green line. Another user chimes in, stating that the issue surfaced after updating to the One UI 7 beta. But the plot thickens. One user reveals they had to shell out 12,000 rupees to fix the green line on their S22 Plus, despite the service center confessing that a software update caused the issue. An S22 Ultra user echoes the same problem. Despite brands promising 3 to 5 years of updates, phones are falling short and failing earlier. Companies are offering lifetime screen replacement warranties, but some still expect customers to foot the bill for repairs. Are brands doing this on purpose? It seems unlikely. In days gone by, fewer models were released, resulting in more thorough updates. Today, the constant onslaught of new models each month compromises quality control. Conversations with Samsung and OnePlus users shed some light on how they dealt with the issue. Consider the OnePlus 8T user who encountered the green line issue. The store offered them a free screen replacement or an upgrade to a OnePlus 11R for an additional 4,000 rupees. A good deal indeed. Meanwhile, a Samsung S23 user claims they've never faced the issue despite using several Samsung phones. Some Samsung users have upgraded due to the problem, but it doesn't negate the existence of the issue. If a green line appears on a phone with dents, it might be denied a warranty claim, leaving the user to foot a 20 to 25,000 rupees bill for a new display. For the butterfingers among us who drop their phones often, the green line issue could be due to damage. Even if your phone boasts an IP68/IP69 rating, it's not invincible to water damage. If your phone is aging, hold off on updates until others have done so without complications. Samsung should step up and offer free screen replacements for flagship users, acknowledging that scratches and dents are a part of everyday phone use. Introducing sensors to detect issues caused by software updates, similar to water damage sensors, could improve user support. To build trust, Samsung should focus on enhancing device quality and AI features. To wrap it up, don't rush to update your phone unless a stable update is available. Signing off for now, but remember to subscribe for more updates.